Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wise Man, and today I'm going to show you that how to add a countdown timer in your video using Wondershare Filmora application. So as you can see this video which I have created, I will show you the video and I will show you the timer. So as you can see this timer generally is counting down, and as the video is progressing this timer is counting down, and how to add this kind of timer in your video. So let's go to the Wondershare Filmora application. So I am using Wondershare Filmora application. In this application you can go to effects. In effects just search timer, just write timer and search that. In this you will see this rectangle countdown timer 04 number. Okay, I am saving, I am adding it to my favorite. You can add this to your favorite also, but as you can see this is a rectangular countdown timer 04. This is the name, or it's in blue in color with this bell icon. You just need to select this because I am going to use this and I'm going to teach you how to edit this. Now this method which I'm going to show you, you can apply to any other timers which are available. So let's say you have downloaded this, or if you have it, you just need to drag it and you just need to paste, you just need to drag and put it in the timeline where you are going to provide this timer. So this is, let me remove the previous timer. Now this is the one timer which I have added in the timeline. Now if I play this, you can see it is, so it is having a default timer range, right? And this timer range, as you can see, it is starting from 59, or you can say 1 minute, right? 59 1 minute, it's still starting from 1 minute. Let's say your video is not fully 1 minute, it is only 15-second video, and you have to provide the timer for 15 seconds only. Fine. So in this case, let me do this again for you. I'm removing everything. Now this is the video which you can see, it is of 14 seconds, 16 sub-seconds. So the total video duration is 14 seconds. If you can see, if I'm playing it, a black screen, and the total video is coming around 14 seconds. Now how to change this timing, right? How to change the seconds in this, how to change the minutes in this. So you can see that if you click on this effect, you can see on the right hand side effect, you can see this rectangle countdown timer 04. If this is unchecked, you will not see anything, any option to edit this. Make it check, and over here you can see in which form you want timer. First thing, a custom, a rectangle, those things you can just try to apply. That is the first thing. Now you can see over here in number, you can see how many minutes or for how many seconds you want this timer. As you can see, this total video is 14 seconds. So what I will do, I will put 0 and I will put 14 seconds in this, and I will hit enter. So now if you can see, it starts from 14 seconds and it will do a countdown timer like this. So in this way you can edit the timing in a countdown timer. Now you can increase the speed and you can decrease the speed, but this is no meaning because we have to keep our video we have to keep our countdown timer in standard form as the video is progressing. Now to change the position, you can't change it, right? It is you can't change, you can drag, you can't drag it. To change the position, you can use this position option. In X direction you can use X position, in Y direction you can use this Y position. Fine. Now you can also scale it, scale up, scale down, and you can provide opacity to it. So if you want a very transparent background, you can do that one also. Now go to theme, you can change the color, different color also in this. You can see text color, you can change, it's up to you what color you want. Color field you can change. Bell color you can change. If you don't want bell, you can put if you don't want bell, you can just keep the same color as the color of circle is there, and background color also you can change. So these are so these are different options that you can follow to create a countdown timer in your video using Wondershare Filmora application. So if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel Wiseman for more such videos. Thank you.